plan today is to make another wee start on the small forest garden that we're doing here. Now it's just been raining for like 3 weeks. Thanks, Floke. It's been raining for 3 weeks, so we're really just waterlogged. Not the kind of stuff you want to be digging. So we're gonna give it a rake and try and level it a bit, and mark out the edge with sticks, and maybe get a bit of it planted today, because there's a few bulbs like wild garlic and crocuses that we're going to get in. I'd like to get in as soon as possible before the heavy frost sets in. Remember, it's nearly December, so we're really lucky we've not had a frost yet. And beautiful day today. Wouldn't think it's the end of November. Sun's shining. So that's it, kind of roughly rigged and marked out where the first bit of the bed's going to be. So inside there's going to be the plants, and along here is going to be the path, just so we can get round to get any fruit off the fruit trees later on in the season. So the last thing to do is get rid of all this couch grass root that's... I thought I'd go it all out 3 times, but obviously I haven't, so I'll go through it one more time, get any of that out, and that'll be that. So for the planting, we're going to have a couple of these elephant garlic in. They're nice perennial vegetables. Nice big cloves as well, look at that, that's just one clove. Like I said, you can just leave them in, just dig around the roots. Also going to have some Chilean Guava in. And here I've got some wild garlic, so I'll put that in as well. Another thing we were going to try is this creeping blackberry. As you can see, it's a hanging basket one, but to be honest, I forget to water it all the time in the summer. It never does well, and then we get this problem with humidity in the autumn. You know, all the berries go mouldy. So we're going to prune them up a bit, give them a haircut, neaten them up, put them outside. See how he does in our little forest patch. I'm going to be doing the same for these hanging basket raspberries, the varieties Ruby Falls. And while I'm in here sorting these out, I'm going to take the opportunity to take a few cuttings from each one, let them over winter in the polytunnel, see if any of them take. So what we're doing here is we're planting the Chilean Guava. Dig a wee trench for the wild garlic. Yeah? A bit of a hectic afternoon, but we've got it done. I didn't manage to film it all, but basically all the way around the outside of this bed is wild garlic planted. We've got a row of Chilean Guava, and then planted here, you can't really see them because they're dormant at this time of year, but this is Hostas. Now, not all Hostas are edible, but this type is. I'll not try and pronounce it, I'll just put the name there. There's a few others that are edible as well. Tried some more of the ferns in there. And there's some old berry bushes here to put in. These are raspberry Ruby Falls. I wasn't sure if they were still alive, but there's actually wee tiny shoots. I don't know if you can see it, just tucked in there where my finger is. It's a wee green shoot. This is an old honeyberry. And then there's the blackberry, creeping blackberry that you saw earlier, one for hanging baskets. And we're hoping this honeyberry can pollinate this honeyberry. So that's the mulch on this bit now. already doing its job of insulating the ground. So as you can see, it's nice and unfrozen underneath there still. It's doing exactly the same job it would do in a woodland. We'll probably add more layers of mulch to it. It's not the only layer it's going to get, but for now this will do. Like I said, the leaves are really good for that insulation that you give them. We do exactly the same for other parts of the garden, like our raspberry patch, as you can see here. Nice leaf mulch. We use it because we've got lots of trees and it's free, but you can use whatever you can get. That's my advice. Whatever mulch you can get easily, that's the one you should use. Especially on the coast, you can use seaweed. If you're near farms, you could use manure. As fast we use leaves. We use a mixture of all three actually, seaweed, manure and leaves. But this time of year they're in such abundance. And I feel like that's what really helps emulate a woodland biome.